ready to turn your crypto profits into real-world cash. First, go to Coinbase.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one and complete the verification process. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard, which displays your crypto balances and recent activity. Locate the crypto you want to sell. Click on the specific cryptocurrency you want to sell. This will take you to a page dedicated to that asset. On the asset page, you'll see a sell button. Click on it. A sell window will appear here. You can enter the amount of crypto you want to sell, either in crypto units or in your local currency, like USD or EUR. Type in the amount you want to sell. You'll also see a preview of the exchange rate and the estimated amount you'll receive. Once you're satisfied with the amount, click on the Preview Sell button. A final confirmation screen will appear showing all the details of your transaction, including fees. Double-check everything. If everything looks good, click the Sell Now button. The button may only be available for a limited time, so be sure to click it promptly. You'll then see a confirmation message that your sale has been completed, and the equivalent amount in your chosen currency will be added to your Coinbase balance. You can now withdraw it to your bank account. Happy selling!